Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.5 question number 2. Construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 cm long and one of the legs is 4 cm long. Let us draw a rough diagram of a right angle triangle so that it can help to draw a right angle triangle. Let us suppose this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle ABC. A, this is B, this is C, and hypotenuse is 6 cm. This is 6 cm long, and one of the legs is 4 cm. BC is suppose 4 cm long. Now to draw this triangle, first of all we need a ruler. Take a ruler first, and with the help of this ruler take 4 cm side, that is here. From here you are getting this is exactly 4 cm long, right? This is 4 cm long. For that we have to extend this line to get 90 degree. Let us draw another line, dotted line. This is dotted line. This is dotted line, right? Now we will write the name here, that is this is B point and this is C point, and this is 4 cm. 4 cm. Now we'll draw 90 degree at the point B with the help of compass. Let us take a compass here. Let us take a compass. We have taken a compass and take this pointer at point B and make an arc. Let us make an arc here. Right? Now with this, extend this length and take this pointer at this point. Take this pointer at this point and draw an arc. This point and draw an arc. Right? And again take this pointer here and draw another arc. This will give 90 degree at the point B. Right? Now with the help of the ruler, let us join this point. With the help of this ruler, let us join this point. Now draw this line. Right? And the name of this is 90 degree at point B. Right? Now the hypotenuse is 6 cm long. Let us take the length of hypotenuse as 6 cm. Right? Now let us take the length of the hypotenuse 6 cm with the help of protractor. With the help of protractor, let us take the length as 6 cm. Let us take the compass again and take the value, put the pointer at the point 0. At the point 0, here we have taken the pointer at the point exactly 0, and we say it takes 6 cm long. The length of this arc is 6 cm. Here you see 5, and this is exactly 6 cm. Right? Now take this pointer again at point C and draw an arc again on the line. Take this pointer at this point C and draw an arc. Take this pointer at C and draw an arc here. Right? Now, with the help of this ruler, we'll join this line. With the help of this ruler, we'll join this line. Let us join this line. Let us join this point with point C. This is exactly 6 centimeter. Yes, now join this point. This is exactly 6 centimeter, right? Now, if we write the name here, this name will be A point. This point is A. Angle B is 90 degree and AC is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Now here we find a right angle triangle, that is hypotenuse, that AC is equal to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. BC is equal to 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. And measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Right? Now this is the required triangle. This is the required triangle. This is the required triangle. This is the required. This is the required triangle. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.